Okay guys, today I would like to explain you how to do double checks. Plus I give you some very helpful tips how to make it work. Let's get started. Okay, so let's learn movement first. So basically, double checks, it's as the name says, has a two checks in cha-cha. So you do check forward walk to start with the check, then you have a rondé, then you cross back, ball of the foot, then bring the other leg together, and then pushing from that leg we just closed to another forward walk. And when you get on the other side, you're gonna repeat the same. Check, rondé, back cross, together, forward. So first, when you learn anything, is the best way to name the movements. So we call it check, rondé, back cross, together, front. Check, rondé, back cross, together, front. Let's take a look at this from reverse angle. So we start here. Maybe the best way for you guys to start on your right leg, left leg back. So it doesn't matter which leg you start, but let's start on the right. Now check, across, 2, rondé, 3, back cross, together, forward. Let's repeat the same on the other leg. Check, rondé, back cross, together, front. Now what is the timing for this movement? So we check on count 2, we rondé on count 3, we're crossing on count 4, we're closing on count N, and we step on count 1. And we repeat exactly the same from the other side. Other leg. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, what is the footwork for this movement? So footwork, as you remember, we have a 3 feet positions: toe, ball, heel. Most of the time when you're doing a Latin dancing, you'll go from toe to ball and then heel. Either way, backward or forward. Toe, ball, heel. So let's check here what kind of footwork we have. So as we're moving our left leg, in this case in the check, we have a toe, then foot goes on ball, heel. Now back foot going ball, heel. Now rondé, as you're doing rondé, of course, when the leg is moving, you have a beautiful toe position, hopefully with a little bit turn out, showing your heel. Toe, and then on the back, here's a little bit different. Ball of the foot, and when you're pushing from this high ball of the foot, you have a toe, ball, heel. And exactly the same on the other side. So you have toe, ball, heel, toe, on this leg which is doing rondé, ball of the foot, toe, ball, heel. And here's pretty interesting, and I mean, it's not easy to do, but you can practice. So when you're here on having 2 high ball of the feet, as you're pushing from your standing leg, in left leg in my case, as I'm pushing from this leg, my other leg goes toe, ball, heel. So to provide a beautiful articulation of the ankles. Okay, what's next you need to know? Anytime you learn something, you also need to know when you bend, when you straight your knee. So we start on 2 beautiful straight legs, and of course, when you move your left leg into the check, knee goes bend, straight. Now back leg, as this going straight, the back leg slightly bends. Now when you're doing rondé, 2 knees straight. Now when you're back crossing, back leg is bent. Then as you're going together, 2 soft knees. Don't bend too much, but don't keep it straight. 2 soft knees. And now from here, as you're pushing from your standing leg, 1 knee goes straight, 1 knee goes bent. And repeat exactly the same. So 2 knees straight, then leg is doing check, bend. Now back leg is bent, front leg straight. So there is this exchange of when is bent, when is straight. And remember, anytime you actually take in a steps, the knee should go from bent to straight, So it's never too straight, but it's never too bent. Okay, so this is like the very obvious rules. So here, my back leg is straight, front leg is bent. Now here we change, boom, and that's what creates that check, boom. Now back leg goes straight. Now as you do run there, I strongly recommend to have 2 straight legs. Excellent. Now go bend knee, bend, and now here push from your standing leg, and already in the air you will have that on 2 high ball of the feet, 1 knee straight, 1 knee bent, and then you push off. Okay, and now most important, so this is our foundation. Always when you learn something, you create a name of the movement, you learn timing, footwork, knee action. Now most important is the body actions, what your body is doing. So as you do this movement, even you follow this very important fundamental principle, movement still will not feel as good. So most important is actually to create the swinging motion in your body, and especially in your rib cage. And remember, a simple way to understand body action, you have a rib, hip, rib cage, then hip. So you want to create that swinging motion in your body and let it guide you. And also when you do run there, you have to be able to really stretch, because if you dance from your body, not from your legs, it will feel great, it will look great. But of course you need to study your legs to look good. Okay, so let's just focus on body action. So now here, as I stay on this leg, what I'm doing first, of course I'm creating a stretch between my hip, rib cage and hip, boom. Then from here, in order to cross from this position, you have to really like swing your body, boom, boom, and change diagonal here. Now as you're going backward, your diagonal change to opposite. Now here, boom, you're using your rib cage, chest, boom, to produce that run day. Don't try to do run day only from the legs, always from the body. Cha, stretch, cha, and here press this magic button, boom, with a little bit hip flick. And then repeat the same from the other side. So actually when I do it, first I study what is this movement about, like is it forward, back, run day together. Then I take my footwork and then I try to milk it with the upper body. Upper body, boom, and let the upper body guide this movement. Okay guys, so this was it for today. Please, if you want to learn more, please join my learning platform, dancewitholeg.com. A lot of amazing secrets, a lot of amazing techniques there, and full programs where you can study feet, knees, hips, everything from A to Z. And see you at the next lesson. Okay guys, so this is my website, learning platform, dancewitholeg.com. This we have a home page. This is about page. This is, you can learn about me and Kristina, our teaching method. This is actual video courses. This is how it works. It's how to register and how to sign up, like from desktop and from iPhone, just like small differences. There's video instructions here as well. Private sessions is for people who book lessons with us online, and you can actually book here and everything, you know, do payments online. This is plans and pricing, monthly. So this is like monthly membership. This is a VIP where you have like once a week you can send us video with your questions, so we can analyze how you dance, give you some tips. This is frequently asked questions. So here's how to stop membership, how to watch, how to activate things. So all the questions in the contact, you can always ask me a question, just filling up from here. And here it's for people who live in LA and then have lessons with us. You can go to this site, BeverlyHillsDanceStudio.com, and our actual video courses. So here, as you see, you have to be logged in after you become a member. So this is your member zone. This is your account. So after you logged in, of course, then you can access this video courses page. Otherwise, it's not accessible. Since you have, you see new, it's Rumba from A to Z. This is amazing course programs. It's like a private lessons whereby for like 25-30 minutes, you know, you're doing drills, learning routines, doing, you know, everything in the correct way. 3-week Cha-Cha challenge is like, you know, you're learning Cha-Cha within 3 weeks, 2-week challenge for the Latin technique, all videos here. So it's like 219 videos already, and new videos, whatever new I posted, just it will be here. And there's other subjects like technique, performance, dance workout, social dancing, whatever. So all this here. Or you can, you know, press button. For example, 3-week Cha-Cha, you press button here. This is just gonna take you to the channel, and then you can watch here intro, whatever, and then there is a small link, a small arrow here. See, so many days. Here you can click here.
Welcome to another day from 3-week Cha-Cha challenge. So today I would like to give you a more structured technical understanding.